Oh, thanks.
One of the things I love about income investing is that you can get paid for doing absolutely nothing. You can get a taste of how the rich live. Leisurely days spent with family and friends, watching your money pour in without moving a muscle. You can get yields as high as 9%, 10% or higher just by knowing where to place your money. I'm Tom Hutchinson, and I write the High Income Factor newsletter. I've been involved with the financial markets pretty much my whole career. I started out in the back office of a Wall Street firm, moved up to the floor of the New York Mercantile Exchange, and finally became a financial advisor for a great big international bank. But over my 13-year career as a financial advisor, I guess I probably met with thousands of investors, and I personally oversaw hundreds of portfolios. But one day I just walked away from it. And the decision to walk away from a career on Wall Street really wasn't easy. And working as a financial advisor at one of the biggest banks in the world had its perks. You know, the fancy buildings, the cocktail parties. But over time, it became clear that the company I was working for was much more interested in its own bottom line than my clients. I felt that the business itself had become an inherent conflict of interest. I couldn't live like that. So after 13 years, I walked away. But you know, what I discovered in my years as a financial advisor is that the way the wealthy invest is way different from the way most people invest. See, after meeting with thousands of regular investors, what I discovered was most of them, really, they spend their time trying to chase the next hot stock. They want to sort of get in on the ground floor of the next Microsoft, but before it's a Microsoft. And the idea is that you turn $5,000 into $1 million, and all of a sudden you're rich. But the wealthy don't invest that way. They really have a completely different mindset. They're not trying to turn $5,000 into $1 million. Their focus is on protecting what they already have and getting paid. The average millionaire thinks about dividends and income, not about capital gains. And you know what? It really makes all the difference in the world. My goal at the High Income Factor is to treat every reader like family. I want to show you, a regular, hardworking American, how to invest like the wealthy. And by that I mean focusing on income. I want to be a trusted and reliable partner in finding ways for you to generate either a great cash flow or build wealth for a nest egg that you're going to need in the future. You know, I spend days scouring the financial universe and finding investments that you probably won't hear about from your broker or financial advisor. And I'm talking about unique, sort of off-the-radar income-generating investments like business development companies or real estate investment trusts, master limited partnerships, or foreign companies from every conceivable part of the world. And these are strategies that not only generate a high income, but can also do so by making sure you keep what you have and over time grow your principal. The High Income Factor is really the culmination of my life's work and passion. And I'm thrilled to be in a position to do what I do best and provide you with information that you could use to enjoy a much better financial future. I think that investing done right can be very successful. And at this point in history, it's probably one of the best times ever to invest. I feel very empowered by what I've learned and the tools I've acquired throughout my career. And I think you can benefit from my experience. It's going to be my pleasure to impart everything I've discovered about income investing to you, the subscriber of the High Income Factor. Now, whether your main interest is in growing your nest egg over time or getting a good income right now, or if you're brand new to investing or a seasoned pro, you're going to find the High Income Factor is just a great tool. Thanks for getting to know me a bit better. I look forward to having you as a subscriber to the High Income Factor and helping you to grow wealthier over the next few years.